Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video we have an Amazon box, and in my Amazon box is something really cool, something that I've been wanting for a while, and so we're gonna unbox it together right now. If my voice sounds a little funny, my throat is like hurting, but we're gonna push through and we're gonna do this video. All right, full disclosure, I've already opened this, but then my mom was like, you should make a video out of it, so we're going to unbox my already unboxed item. I hope you enjoy. 3, 2, 1. So this is called the Bazooka. This is a bubble gun. Got it off of Amazon. It was like $35, I think. I think they had like one that was like 19 something. And there was different ones, different like styles, but this is the one I've always seen and this is the one that I wanted. So this is the Bazooka, and it is a giant bubble gun. Here it is. Here's the box. Never done an unboxing on here, so this is our first one. Voila. All right, let's open this. I'm excited. So a little backstory about this. I've seen this in videos and I really wanted it because I think it was really cool, but like I've never searched into like actually buying it. And then I saw an ad on Facebook for this on Amazon, so I'm like, ooh, let me click it just to see, you know, what it is. And then my mom just ordered it, so here we are, and we're gonna open it. Oh my gosh. Do you see how big this is? Are you kidding me? Has like all of the little holes. And then it has like a fan inside the handle. It's the size of my head. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh. All right, let's put it all together and see what we get. So it came with some stickers. So I guess you just put them on. Also, I got the pink one, obviously. They have different colors, but I really wanted the pink one, so. They have on here, they have purple, like that blue and yellow one. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna put on the stickers now. This is gonna be my little makeshift table with this chair. All right, so we got the bazooka gun, and then we have our stickers. So take this sticker, and I'm putting mine at the top. Like that. I'm gonna take my other sticker and then I'll put it on the side. Okay, I have a few air bubbles, but that's fine. There's that side, and then I got one more sticker for the other side. I'm gonna try to put this one on better. No. Okay. All right, this one's better. Perfect. Not so perfect. All right. We have our stickers on the bazooka. Bazooka sounds like such a funny word. Okay. So we have everything. It also came with a screwdriver, some extra screws, and then a battery and a charger, I guess. Yeah, and then a charger. So on the handle, there's like a little screw. The screw right there. So I'm gonna unscrew that so that I can put the battery in with my tiny little screwdriver. All right. So you gotta unscrew the little screw. Make sure not to lose it. And then take that part off. There's this inside. Then you take your battery. That's cool that it comes with like its own battery and then like a charger so you can charge it and you'll never run out of bazooka fun. Just connect this and then put the battery inside like so. Put this little thing back on and then screw it shut. Well, that was easy. I'm glad it did come with its own battery because you know how everything's like battery not included, but this already comes with the battery, so you can just immediately get into the fun. All right, so I'm gonna save the battery, well, the charger and the screws and everything. I'm gonna save it in my box. So it also came with bubble concentrate, so I have all these packets and then all of these, so I have a lot. This is gonna last me a while. And then it comes also with these two that I'm guessing are already diluted. So I have two, all of this. Yeah, it's gonna last me a while. And then the last thing it came with was this tray. So this is where you would put the bubble liquid and then dump this in here, dump it, and then dip. All right, so the battery's in, and now I just have to press this and it should work. 3, 2, 1. This is nice. Okay. Well, this is cool. All right, so that's that. I did not expect this power to come from this. All right, so let's go outside and let's put some bubbles in our tray. Let's go outside and make some bubbles. I'll leave the Amazon code down below so that you can go get one, because I'm going to be using this. This is so much fun already. Like, just without bubbles, this is cool. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the Amazon link down below if you want to go get one. I think this is really cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was our first unboxing on this channel. It was a lot of fun. I'm so glad I got it. Let me know if you like this video and if there's any other things that I should try, that I should unbox, that you want me to do. Let me know. Leave some ideas for me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next one. Bye. Okay, I got the bubbles in there. I'm gonna dunk this in. Give it a good dunk. Okay. Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Where? Wow. Aim it that way. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is insane.
Now we're trying to get down, huh?
No. Oh. Wow. It worked exactly as I expected it to. That was fun. Looks like a little brain. That's like a cluster of bubbles over there. Okay. This was totally worth it. This is so funny. I'm glad I got this. This was really funny. And now all of our neighbors are looking at us because we have this giant bubble machine. Ow, ow, ow. My hair just got sucked into it. All right, this was worth it. Get yourself one. Bye.